how cute is that? So I got this as a little souvenir during our glamping trip in Kirikiri, and I just thought it was so cute. I actually wanted like the single flower one because it was super small and mini, but they didn't have it, so I just got the 3 flower, and then there was like a bigger one, but I thought this was cute enough, and it was really simple to make, but it just looks so intricate. I love it. I love little things like this. So if you guys were curious, that's just where it's from. I don't know where to put it. Maybe in the kitchen somewhere, but so cute. But also from our trip, I got these chocolate coated macadamias from Makana. So they make handcrafted chocolates. I feel like I've had this before, like this brand, and I love chocolate coated macadamias. My mom, she went to Hawaii a few years back and brought back chocolate coated macadamias, and they were literally the nicest chocolates I've ever had in my life. And it comes really nicely wrapped, but I love chocolate coated macadamias. Like, it just hits different. Did Denise give me something from them before? I feel like she might have. But wow, look at that. I didn't know that there was dark chocolate, white chocolate, and milk chocolate. I love all chocolates, so that's fine with me, but I'll have the dark chocolate one first because Harry only likes milk chocolate. Okay, 1 bite. That is so tasty, but I do think the chocolate coating is a bit thick. The one that my mom brought from Hawaii years ago, macadamia to chocolate ratio was just perfect. I even kind of like remember the box. It was like a big long box. I think it had a girl on the cover. It was blue. It was so good. I still think about that chocolate till this day. It was like 2015, 2016. It was years and years ago. But these are good. These are the best I can get in New Zealand, I guess. But these were expensive. These were really expensive. What a nice treat. But yeah, these were the little souvenirs that I got on our glamping trip. I think it was just so cute. I think maybe on my desk for now. I think that would be quite cute. It's still on a work in progress. It's a little messy, but yeah, right now it would be quite cute.
What if she chose baby?
Let's go, birthday girl. Go, go. You wanna say hi? You wanna show them our noodles? Pink udon. You can put it in the spoon like this, and then it's your birthday gift. You're welcome. There's one more inside.
Push.
No!
No, one more push, one more push. Push!
No!
Oh.
No! So I have arrived to my perfume workshop class. I'm so excited. I got here a little bit early just because I'm probably gonna do a dedicated video on this experience and kind of go in depth about it. So I want to get some shots of the boutique and everything and just kind of make it look good. So got here a bit early. I mean like 30 minutes early, so not like extremely early. I wonder if there's gonna be other people in the class with me because today's a Wednesday, so I don't know how busy it's gonna be. Finally home after such a long day, but I got the balloons. I also have this headband as well that I'm gonna wear. Already changed into sweatpants because I only need the top, but I'm gonna change this area into a little photo op area, and I'm gonna bring the projector out, make it look super cute. I was inspired by some photos I saw on Little Red Book, which is Chinese Pinterest. And then my friend is going to come over a little later and we'll take some photos together and have some cake together. And I have not eaten at all today and it's already 6 o'clock. It's so busy, I have a headache. I'm gonna cut it. This tiny little cake.
Đi ra Giang Quảng gì bỏ?
양왕 있습니까?
Giang gì gái?
양희? cái 뭐 쟁가?
Chị gái?
쟁가.
Chị gái.
It's dollar hot here.
It's my birthday. This is 26. I got to sleep in this morning. I was snuggling with Rocky. The weather has been all sorts of crazy today. Like 1 minute it's super gloomy and then another minute the sun is out. So I thought while the sun is out I could do some unboxing. I got some packages in the mail today and my mum just came over. She just left. She brought over us some lunch. Harry went to work and now I am home alone with my little babies. They're actually all sleeping, but yeah, it's just nice because I feel like the past couple of days I've just been so busy. I've been going out like literally almost every day, and I know like that just sounds normal, but for someone who is very introverted and likes to be home, I feel like I finally can like recharge a little bit. So this is nice, just having some alone time. This is really an ideal day for me. And then for dinner we're gonna have bibimbap because that's like my favorite dish ever, like one of my favorite dishes. And I also got some oysters, so gonna have that because I love oysters, but they're so expensive, so I like to save it for more of a special occasion. So yeah, it's just a really nice chill day and I wouldn't have it any other way. So let's open up some packages, shall we? This one I actually already opened yesterday because I couldn't help myself while my friend was over. It's from Olive Young. I don't know why people don't talk about Olive Young more outside of Korea because their shipping is actually pretty good. If you spend over $80 US, you get free shipping with DHL. How great is that? And they have all of the latest stuff, so it's like, you know, so amazing. But I got 2 hair tools. So the first one is from this brand. I mean, they're both from this brand. This is from Von Dana. So this is the hair waver that Song Gia from Singles Inferno uses. My friend said that she uses the 34mm, but I got the 32. This is the only one they had available. So I'll test this out and, you know, tell you guys how it is. And then, you know, I thought while I was making an order, I might as well get a hair curler because I actually don't have a hair curler one and I always curl my hair with a straightener, so I thought I would give this one a go. So I got the 32mm. They only had pink colors. I wish they would have had like a green or white or even just like a black, but yeah, they only had pink, so I got the pink. But those other things I got from Olive Young, that was a personal order. This is also another personal order from Beauty Bay. I made an order. The first thing I got is this really thin eyeliner brush from Glisten Cosmetics. I just want more of these kind of brushes, and although you could just use a paintbrush, I thought I would just give this one a go. I got this very viral sponge. It's from Coco Cosmetics by Chloe. It's the marshmallow sponge, and I've seen this all over TikTok. Oh, it's so soft and it's so cute. I love the shape. I got some products from NYX. So this one is the NYX lip pencil in the shade Natural. I got this because Jessica Vu swears by this lip pencil, so I thought I would give it a go. And then I also got their Lift and Snatch brow tint pen. I always want to have like realistic looking brows, so I thought I'd give it a go. Who knows? And the last thing I got is this powder puff from LH Cosmetics, which is Linda Holberg. Is that her brand, or is this just a different brand that sounds like hers? But I've been wanting, oh, this feels very soft. And you kind of just go. Then we have this hot pink one, which is AliExpress. So this is a little beanie hairpiece. It has bunny ears and the lace detail with the ribbon here. So I'm probably gonna do a makeup look inspired or like around this piece. I just thought it was so cute. It's actually quite soft. And then the last package is another one from The Ordinary. So this is all the skincare they sent me, which I will all test out, but those were all the packages I got, and now I feel like the sun is slowly setting, so I'm gonna just clean up this mess, put everything away, and then I'm probably just gonna get started on some work, honestly, because I'm a little behind, and why not do some work? Cookie, hello. Oh, hello, John's Ken. You're a bit jealous. Okay, hello, happy Saturday. So one day out of the week for the vlog, I want to show you a work day. So today is that work day. I'm midway through filming. I thought I would just start the vlog now since I got my makeup on, but I'm filming a lot of things today. I feel like today is sort of just like a catch-up day. Let me show you my little list of filming for today. Not a lot of things are checked off yet. I filmed this makeup look, which is actually not completed. I just toned it down a little bit because I'm going to be filming an empties video for my YouTube, but the final look, it's more for like TikTok and Instagram. Remember this? Did I unbox this with you guys? This little bunny thing. This is the look, but I just put a pearl headband in. Gotta take photos for this look, TikToks, all that jazz. And then I also filmed a TikTok on this hair because I use the waver, the one that Song Jia uses, which by the way, she's back. I use this. This is the result. I actually quite like it. And in between that, I finally started on my ColourPop palette guide. I'm filming all the swatches. I have all the videos here. I'm filming the swatches on my phone because I feel like on my phone it really captures the color. So I've taken some so far. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. I've taken 10 palettes so far, which means I have like 90 to go. It's just because the sun is out finally, so I can finally start on that. But yeah, I still have a lot more to do. Empties. I want to film an outro for my perfume video that I'm gonna be doing. Just a lot of little bits and bobs around like parts of videos, like not complete videos. That's just how I work, but that is pretty much my list for today, and it's already 2 o'clock. I'm just kind of waiting for the sun to move over that side because as you can see it's hitting my chest. And then I think afterwards tonight, after I'm done filming, we're gonna go to Harry's brother's house. I think we're gonna have dinner there. But that's my Saturday for you guys. Here we have the final look of the day. I'm calling this a cottagecore bunny, but just taking some photos.